All right, so this is Remainder theorem. So it says x subtract 3 is a factor. Keyword there is factor. Anybody want to explain to me what you think you're going to do to work this out? To find the value of a? Come on, talk up. I'm not hearing you. Can I talk up for me, please?
We're going to substitute the x minus 3 into the expression we have here. We'll substitute it with the x in the expression.
You're going to substitute x minus 3, or you're going to substitute 3 or negative 3?
We're going to substitute x minus 3 for the give me a second, black coffee nice. Alright, the x minus 3 substitute it for the x in the expression.
Okay, I think you're saying something incorrect, but I think you have the correct idea. You're not gonna actually put x minus 3. You're not gonna replace x minus 3 with x. You're gonna replace x with 3. Because right, so it says x. Alright, is it x minus 3? Because it's a factor, it's going to equal to 0. Alright, so therefore x is equal to 3. Alright, and they said that this expression here, well, let's say x minus 3 is a factor. That means that everything will equal to 0. So when you put 3 into everything here, put it equal to 0, then solve for a. So question, what if the question had said if x plus 3 is a factor, what would you put? What would you replace x with?
Negative 3.
It would have been negative 3 because you'd have x. I don't have much space, but let me just say you'd have x plus 3 equal to 0, and then you'd have x equals negative 3. All right, so this is setting out. All right, I want you guys to work this out for me, please. Hold on, let me record it. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I don't remember right now. No man, you see because I start over again. Okay.
The sign that always there, always in our record.
No man, let me check something. Oh, it's recording. Oh yeah. I didn't remember. All right, so this is a setting note. All right, give us a try for me.
Negative 9.
All right. Can someone second that, or anybody else have an answer? I don't know what the answer is yet. I don't work it out.
I got +9.
All right. Why? It come like say. It come like say. One always get one positive, one always get negative.
Exactly. Like, what me I do wrong? General.
Yeah. Well, we don't know which one is correct as yet. Not sure.
Oh. Negative.
+9.
And I think I'm negative for sure.
+9, sir.
All right. Let me just work this out because
I think I'm negative for sure.
all right. So 3 cube is +27. Let's go. That's going to be -9 right there. 27 plus, so, all right, so, well, 27, subtract 27 is 0, don't you? So you have -9 plus a equals 0. So a obviously is going to equal to +9.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, the minus sign don't go with the 3.
What are you talking about? You're talking about this part here?
Yeah.
Right. The minus sign.
Not in the bracket.
No. You don't bracket the negative. No, you don't do that. You leave these. You see these signs here. You
They
leave
go
them.
with it with the inner bracket.
Right. You leave them.
Okay.
You see if the x.
Now I
You see if the x itself was negative, you put that in the bracket.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Superman not dead.
All right. Let's move on. Any questions?
No.
All right. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. All right. So you know when we multiply in matrix, we multiply it row by column, right? All right, guys. I didn't realize I have my mic off a while ago. I'm teaching out like crazy. All right, guys. So if you see me writing or not hearing anything, it means that just say that my mic is off. But anyway, are you guys hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, man. If you see me writing and you don't hear me, it means that I didn't remember to unmute my mic.
Some of you said time I go for work it out for own.
But I wouldn't be writing. But anyways, remember when you multiply a matrix, you multiply row by column. So 3 times 3 plus -5 times -2. And that would give 19. So as I was saying, that would rule out B and C because top left element, we have 19 for A and 19 for D. No, to work out the second number, which is the top right element, you're gonna multiply 3 times -1 plus -5 times 4. If you work out that, you can get the answer straight away because, you know, this is -23 and this is -20. So it's either A or B. And you don't have to work out all of them. Or you could have actually try that one, you know. No, that wouldn't work because both of them are 12. So the best one to work to try to get is this one, the top right one. All right, so somebody work on that for me.
Answer A.
Okay, so what number did you get here? So -23?
Yeah.
Yes, come on, yeah man, you're right. Because 3 times -1 is -3, not true?
Yeah.
Plus
-5.
-5 times 4 is -20. All right, and when you have two signs together, we use the rules of multiplication. So positive and negative give you a negative. You O and you O, and you're going to add up, right? So -3, -20 is -23. So the answer there is A. Very good. Any questions? And do you see you don't need to work out the others? All right. All right, moving on. All right, so this is find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Anybody remember what to do? Remember the thing you go eliminate and the cofactor thing, the formula, plus, minus.
Yeah, plus, yeah.
Right, that's plus, minus, plus. And I believe the other one is minus,
Minus,
plus, minus,
plus, minus, plus.
plus, minus, plus. And this is what you use as a guide to determine which side, all right? Anybody wanna start? Anybody remember what to do? You want me to guide me what to do?
Yes, sir. Sir, use the last line.
The last one?
Yeah, use
All
one.
right. All right. So, oh boy, let me see if I can create some space. All right. So, is it because everything is positive?
Yes.
All right. So you're gonna have one. You're gonna have one, and then I'm gonna write the determinant sign. So
Yes.
because you use the one,
-5.
right? You're gonna use this part here, right?
Yeah.
Because if you use the one, all of that will gone, and all that will gone. So it's -5, as you said. Very good.
And 0, 0, 0.
0, 0. All right. But the middle one is what?
-7.
Right. Right. And then you put 7. All right. I need somebody to tell me else. What you go here, sir? What are the numbers?
-1,
Mm-hmm.
-1, and the 2 is 0 then. -1 again.
You mean down here, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, man. You're correct. You're correct. Very good. Right. Yeah, man. All right. And then I need someone to tell me what the last one is. What sign should come next?
Positive.
Positive, don't you?
Mhm.
Right. And then you're gonna have 8. Shanisha,
Yes.
tell me what to write here, sir.
-1. -1 underneath it. -5 at the top. And 0.
0. Right. Very good. All right. I'm assuming, guys, you have all of this. So because of space, oh boy, this is probably the worst thing. All right.
So you don't have eraser on that or something?
Yeah, I have a eraser, but I like to see everything on the board, on the screen.
Oh.
All right, because I need to use it to explain. All right, so I'm gonna work on the first part. So you put the 1, you write about the 1. All right,
Yes.
and you're gonna find the determinant of a 2 by 2
Yes.
matrix. And what do? You multiply the leading diagonal.
AD.
Right, so it's always this one first. Always that one first, the leading diagonal. So it's gonna be -5 times
Joshua?
0. All right. So it's -5 times this 0 here. Subtract the other diagonal, which is 0 times 0. All right. So we have. So what I'm doing, I'm working out this part here. I'm working on that part. So I'm gonna write about the 1. All right. Now anything times 0 gives 0. So -5 times 0 is 0. And 0 times 0 is 0. 0 from 0 is 0. And 1 times 0 is 0. All right, so all of this
Is 0.
Right. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna work out this piece now,
That's 0 too.
work out that piece, and work out that piece until we get. And add up everything, and that will give you the determinant.
-5. Not -5, just 5. And then
-5 is not the answer. There's no
no,
negative
sir,
5
it's
there.
not the answer.
Okay.
-47.
That's not there.
Hmm?
Say it again.
Negative 47.
But that's not at the response.
Oh, Meji, me using a meds.
Sorry, answer 40.
Okay, Kimani is saying 40. All right.
Oh, yeah, it's negative 40.
Positive now.
All right, here we go again.
Straight
Here we go
40.
again. The biggest debate in the world, right?
A negative 40, brother. When it's 0 minus 5 is what? A negative 5.
Eh?
0 minus 5, a negative 5.
Yeah, but we get that.
For the last one, for the 8. For the 8, when I multiply 8.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Right.
I'm gonna get that part there. Which part?
The last
Negative
one, when you
42.
work out to 8, when you use 8 to multiply everything in bracket. So when you work out in bracket, we get the 0 minus 5.
No plus.
0 plus 5.
Negative times negative, no positive.
Yes, but one minus sign today. Remember saying the 5 is negative itself, right?
Yes.
The 5 itself is negative and the 1 is negative, right? So when I multiply that, you go get one positive sign. However, remember say I subtract. So one other subtraction sign the outside of the bracket.
Oh,
Like, you see what I'm talking about?
I guess.
Yes, I sure.
Let's just say me add everything in the bracket, like my addition sign.
Remember say I subtract.
Yeah. See, all of them I did addition, so look at that side.
All right, guys. So I've been listening to you guys, but I wasn't really paying attention. Sorry about that. Just trying to erase the board. So you're gonna multiply the leading diagonal, right? Let me tell you a trick about this question. Don't try to do them in your head mentally and work with the answer. Write it out. And don't just use the formula. So you're gonna multiply, just right. Remember the exam you're doing, you can't get them wrong, because if you notice, all right, look, if one is negative and one is positive, I mean that's the difference between probably a pass and a fail. You have to get them right. So negative 1 times 0. So we are multiplying. Oh, by the way, it's a plus 8 here, not true?
Yes, sir.
Because everything would have been 0 and 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Subtract. The other diagonal was going to be negative 5 times negative 1. All right? Now, this will only give you 0. That's how you go.
Yes, sir.
Now, these two negative is going to give you
Negative
a
or positive.
positive. But a negative is there,
Yes.
outside. So a negative and a positive will give you a negative.
Okay.
You answer that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then no. This is going to be negative 5, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
So hence you get negative 40. All right. Any questions? Nope. All right. All right. So this is going to be. We have a few minutes remaining. So when it's up, that's going to be the end of the class. All right. So I'll post in the group when we have class again. All right. I'm hoping we can have it tomorrow. Hold on. Tomorrow's is tomorrow Good Friday?
Sir,
No.
tomorrow Friday?
Tomorrow's Good Friday, right?
Sir,
No.
tomorrow Wednesday.
Tomorrow Thursday.
Tomorrow Thursday.
Oh, tomorrow's Thursday.
Tomorrow Thursday?
Yes.
Okay. I've lost track of days. You
Me
know, it's
too.
like I'm in a world by myself. I don't know if this happened to you guys, but I've lost track of time and days.
Sorry, I can't do that. Friday is my birthday. No,
All
stay
right.
home.
So while you were born, somebody died on a cross. Boy.
Sir.
All right. Anyways, let's look at this quickly. This is a no-brainer.
Yeah, the answer is
Answer is
A.
huh? A.
It's A, yeah.
All right.
Just use the calculator for this one.
You got A,
Yeah.
and you use the calculator.
Yeah, because it's literally a no-brainer.
Why if you didn't use a calculator, right? Why you not say A?
Wouldn't.
Exactly.
This one is too easy, so of course when I use the calculator.
Okay.
Ooh.
This one is too easy, so of course when I use the calculator. Not about waste of time.
If you not use the calculator.
Yeah, but come on. If I wouldn't say how you get 4. If I would probably say how you get 8.
Exactly. If we use the calculator, I get.
No, I'm not saying it's 8. You know, I'm not saying it's not 8.
For the answer, but how would you work it out without the calculator?
Use the formula so I give you.
Yeah. What's the form? Which one of them?
Hmm?
Which one of the formulas you gonna use?
Back to the book, you know.
Which one do what?
All right, guys. If you have log A divided by log B, right? It is the same thing as log A subtract log B. So this is actually log 16
Minus 2. Minus log 2.
See?
Minus log 2. No, 16
minus log minus 2.
Yeah.
Right, and that's just log
14.
log 14. Anybody have a calculator with them Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, do me a favor. Work out log 16 for me.
0.20.
All right, okay. Press divide. Divide log 2.
4.
4.
You got 4 to be the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I'm off to know how Kimani gets 4. Here.
That's it.
I said it was easy.
Oh,
No.
I think I know. I think I said something a while ago. I think my approach was wrong. It's actually 4, you know. It's actually right. What you're gonna do is
Hold on, sorry, you didn't know me.
Duh. Is you we talk about?
no, but you weren't able to explain
Oh, we
Sorry.
get it.
the answer.
It's
Anyway,
easy when,
Little
like
time
I said,
ago.
it's easy when you use the calculator, but me have the formula where you give me in the book.
yeah, but you're not explaining to me.
Yeah, because there are a lot of numbers.
Anyways, it's a 16.
I heard that, Shen.
Alright. what I had before is incorrect here. Sorry about that. You see, you're gonna write log 16 as log 2 to the 4.
Oh.
So that's gonna be log divided by log 2. All right. And what do you use a formula? When you have a power, it goes down, not true? So you're gonna have 4 log 2 over log 2. And those two gonna cancel out. And that's what you get 4. All right, guys, so this is the end of the class. It's gonna cut off anytime. Any comments?
Sir, how me go get you something for the first one?
Oh, you mean the first slide? I record it, man. It's recorded. So I'm gonna as soon as I finish right now, I'm gonna sort it out, yeah?
Okay, sir.
I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel.